Hello, I am back with this tutorial. I am going to be doing this in two parts. I'm going to be doing how I made these horns, and then the second episode I am going to be doing how I created this on my face, because why not? But you know, I'm going to be doing part 1, how I made the horns, and part 2, how I became a devil. I am going to show you part 1 right now, how I made the horns. Feel free to copy or do whatever you want, I don't care, or I do care. You just get it. So I am going to shut up and leave you to voice over Naomi. Bye. Okay, right, first you're going to need latex, tin foil, brushes, acrylic paint or cream paint or normal face paint, a pot or a cup, and some flour. First of all, what you want to do is get the tin foil and you're going to try and wrap it up so it's some sort of horn shape. You can do whatever kind of horn shape you want. You can do it curved or you can just do it basic like I am going to be doing, as you'll see in the end, hopefully. But yeah, always use a reference. I've already made one horn already, and I've just keep making sure they're both same size. Then, once you've molded it to whatever shape you wanted, you can see I wanted normal basic, you want to get the latex, pour it in a cup or a bowl, and you're going to want to put it all around the tin foil thing you made, or horn, or basic horn that you already made, and just cover it up with tissue and latex really. You can do it as thick or as thin as you want, but bearing in mind it's got to still be light because it's going to be on your head, so bear that in mind. Whew. Once you've covered it all up, it should be looking like this, unless you've got clear latex, which is normal basic white. But I wanted skin, so I got the skin colour latex because it had low ammonia. I think that's how you say it, I don't know. No angry people at me, please. Once you've done that, you just gotta want to dry it so you can actually hold it. I left a little tin foil base at the bottom so I can just hold it, but you won't really see that in the horn. Then you want to get your cream paints, acrylic paint. I'm going to be using acrylic paint because I feel like it's best, and I didn't have no black, so I had to use brown. And you just want to paint it, or if you want, just do whatever pattern you want. Like I just wanted to do basic, wanted to keep it like a simple demon thing, so I just went with black, no, brown. Yeah, just paint it till it's your satisfaction. As you can see, it looks like a poop. This is the one I already made. I'm going to let the other one dry. And I'm going to get something. What am I going to get? I'm going to get wire. Right, we've got to take the wire. Oh. I went for the tangled one. I started getting fed up there trying to untangle it, so I went with the brown one. And you just want to try and get as much as you can, because this is going to be the base of your headband. Sadly, mine didn't fit as well, but I thought, why not? I can correct it at the end. But yeah, you want to keep measuring it. Or first you want to fold it so it's got a base, and put it towards your head. And you just got to keep mending it. You want to have a little gap bit where the horn can sit. And where you want the horn to sit, you've got to wrap masking tape around it. Oh god, I can't speak today. I also put a little masking tape at the end, so it didn't cut me because the wire is sharp. But here you can see I'm keep constantly measuring where I want the horn to sit, and I put the masking tape in my mouth and tape where I want the horn to sit, and then I measure it again just in case I didn't want it to be there. And oh my god, I sound boring. I am so sorry if I really do sound boring. But yeah, you can see what's going on, so I'm gonna be shut up. I'm back now. Sorry about that, but yeah. What I'm doing here, I don't know if you could tell, but I'm hot gluing the edges to make sure it's secure so it don't fall off my head, because that's the last thing you want to happen when you're dressing up as a demon. But yeah, as you can see, I put one in there, and because I was so impatient, the hot glue didn't dry properly, and when I put it on my head, the glue got stuck in my hair. But luckily I was able to get it out quite easily. But yeah, don't make the same mistake as I did and just wait for it to dry. That'll be the best. I am then doing the same for the other horn, like mapping out where I want it to be. But first, it looks like I am making a little base for where I want it to sit, like the whole thing, so it'll be more sturdy on my head. But yeah, you can see there, like that. That's where I want it, and that's where I'm going to stick it. That's me trying to get the glue out there. Oh god, more hot glue gum, more hot glue. Yada yada yada, do the same as the other side. Once you have stuck that on, make your sister come through the room and start interrupting your video. She's casually stealing my TV, as you do. But yeah, back to the video. Here are the head things at the moment, or the horns at the moment. What I'm going to do next is gonna paint it brown, or whatever colour you're doing it, so it blends in more, like with your hair. Or, you know, do it black, do whatever you want. But this is, I'm just showing what I did. And this is me attempting to hold it. But yeah, the end.